the one to get. This is the one don't miss piece. Under 30, you're going to use this every single year.
Yes.
It's going to be as ubiquitous as the Christmas tree at Christmas time.
You're absolutely right. And what I love about runners is it starts to set the runway for your table.
Right.
That then when we talk about entertaining and creating memories around the table, this sets the center. This doesn't just have to be on your table. This can be on your sideboard. This can be something that you use in any room in the house where you want to put that motif. Notice how, again, it has that same hand. It's that beautiful, gorgeous linen look that you don't have to fuss with. Yes, this can go right in the washing machine. It can tumble dry low. I always lay my linens flat when I let them dry, but you can. And then let's talk about the satiny finish of your mixed pattern here in your pumpkin. This wasn't just one color, one pattern. This was really about picking all of those elements that so many of you have been collecting and loving, or if you're new to Temp-tations, that would work in things you already have. Your gingham pumpkin that you see here with all of your chocolates and that gorgeous cream.
400 gone. 400.
Look at this. Look how beautiful your harvest is, where you can see all of the detail. If you picked up those mini loaf pans, you're probably realizing all of these elements coordinate back. And then look at how sweet our plaid pumpkin is. All of your leaves. We didn't just end it here.
600 gone now.
Look how it all extends out.
Yeah, 72 inches, by the way.
It's gorgeous.
If you want
Thank
it,
you. I was going to mention
14
that.
by 72 inches, brand new today, never been seen before. 40 payments on the cue card. This is a total, like this really,
This to me
aesthetically
is so welcoming,
so,
right? This is a sideboard when you walk into someone's home.
It is.
This is the back of your sofa table.
And it's so easy.
It's so easy. Put some flameless candles. All we did was put the runner down.
Right.
If we never put anything else, but we layered in, of course, that beautiful stacked pumpkin tray. That pumpkin patch is coming up. We put some of our cute decor at the end. And look at how beautiful this is and polished.
800 people are shopping right now for $29.98. Never ever been seen before. Brand new. You guys wanted to do this, you said, for a long time.
Yes.
Did it, and now it's right. It's all embroidered. How do I clean this?
You can put it right in the washing machine.
Okay.
You can tumble it dry low. I recommend letting them dry, air dry, just because that's what I like to do.
Air dry.
But you can.
Great.
But let's just talk again. We have a table set over there in front of the fireplace where we have layered in not only your dinnerware, but also some of your other pieces. And it truly just brings that table to life, because up until this point, we really haven't had what I like to call the exclamation point on the table.
Yes.
We had the dinnerware, we had the bakeware,
yes,
we had flatware, but we never had the linens that went under it.
Yes.
So I love that these iconic pieces and now patterns and elements of it are part of the story.
Are part of the story.
Yes.
Oh man, it just looks great.
Doesn't that table look amazing?
You know, it looks completely finished is what it does,
yes,
right?
Yes, absolutely. So, and then over here, we just did a cute little table for two. Look how sweet this is, where we have, of course, our placemats, we have our napkins, and of course you could have put the runner down the center of the table. So all of these pieces are meant to be used together and shared together.
Hey, 1,100 people are shopping, and here is your table that you were chatting with.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's the masterpiece.
I got to tell you, there are all three elements coming together. Your runner down, setting the center of that table, your placemats, popping them. Maybe you keep them in the kitchen, you keep the runner on the dining room table, and then you have enough napkins for however many you're entertaining.
K49329.
Yay.
1,200 people are shopping right now.
I'm
in
so
the
happy.
moment. No surprise why. Brand new, brand new, and brand new. Okay, mugs still available.
Mugs.